Hello and welcome back. So today we've got a 4K 60 capture card that won't break the bank just in time for the Switch 2 launch. Okay, so a little bit of a disclaimer. They did send this to me to test out. I've had it for a while, but I wanted to wait until the Switch 2 launch to see if it would work with the Switch 2, and it does. It works really well, as you can see in the blurred background behind me. But anyway, this is it right here. If I can get this to focus. Nearstream capture card. It's plug and play. So here it is. It has all the normal stuff that all the other capture card has. It has an HDMI in, HDMI out, a USB 3.1 input, and we'll get back into that later. And then a reset button to reset the capture card in case it doesn't work, and then a headphone with mic out or a microphone in. So there's the capture card right there. And just in case you want to take a peek at it, we'll look at this again. Let me change my camera here real quick. Okay, so like I said, again, HDMI out, USB-C 3.1, the headphones with the microphone, a microphone reset button, HDMI in, and HDMI out. So there's those. Taking a look at this, it does work with the PlayStation. It does work for the Xbox. And the Switch 2. All of them at 4K 60. I do want to point out that if you do not have a USB 3.1 on your computer, this will not capture 4K at 60. It will default to 1080, and we'll show you that here in just a second. Okay, so here we are, and I just want to show you that I do have the capture card right here, and we'll go ahead and hook this up to the Switch. You plug this in really fast, right here, into the HDMI in, and this goes to the Switch, and you'll see that here in just a second. And we're going to hook a USB-C into the back side of it. You'll know it's working by the light that it gives. When it's hooked up and it's working, the light will turn white. Let me turn on the switch really. So the switch is on, and we're going to open up OBS, and you can see right now we are inside the Switch. We'll go ahead and go inside. Now, if we look at the Nintendo Switch here and go to properties, we'll scroll down here. You'll notice that it is 4K. Now, the name of this is Nearstream CCD30, and you have to select that inside of OBS. If you don't know how to do that, you would just go down here to the plus button, video capture, and then add a video capture device. But this is on 4K, and I'll show you that just here in just a second. System settings. And display. As you can see, it's got HDR. The capture card also has HDR. The resolution right now is 4K. We're full range, all the good stuff, right? So, yeah. The capture card is not as inexpensive as all of the other brands that you would expect to be out there. We're not going to name any names, but you probably know which ones I'm talking about. The capture card right now, if you go onto Nearstream's website or Amazon, and I'll leave those links in the description below. All right, so as you can see from the website right here, it is 130.5, which is a lot less than what you would pay for some of the other capture cards out there that deliver 4K 60. Now, if we go into a different USB port on our computer, like I've got some USB 2.0 ports on my computer, I'll switch it over that and I'll show you what this does. So if you don't have a USB 3.1 on your computer and you've only got 2.0 or 3.0, it will default to 1080p, which is what most streaming platforms, if you're going to be doing that with the Switch, allow you to do anyway until they get up to speed. But we'll show you this does. Let me plug it into another port and we'll show you what that does. Okay, now we've got it plugged into a USB 2.0 port. We'll go ahead and double click on this again. And as you can see, it's a blank screen. We'll go back to device default, and then we'll go back to custom. Now this is not an option. It's just not there. We would have to go to 1080. 1920 by 1080. It'll default to 1920 by 1080. You may need to reset your canvas on OBS back to 1920 by 1080 to get it to work properly. But that's what it will default to if you're using a USB 2.0. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. There is the Nearstream CCD30 4K 60 with HDR capture card. If you guys want to check this out, again, link is in the description below. And I'll leave you here with a couple of minutes of the switch to 4K 60 Mario Kart gameplay. Remember, you guys like the video, find it helpful and all that good stuff. Like, subscribe, notifications, put those all on there, and we will see you on the next one.